At Bugos Schroeder, we recognize that for most of our clients, their biggest asset is their business. But what's most important to them is their family. And they're trying to deal with figuring out, how do I take care of my family and how do I run my business? We're trying to help them do that so that they don't have to focus on legal issues, because that's not their business. That's important to people, and it's important to us to be a part of that.
Business litigation is complex. It's a foreign concept to a lot of businesses that hopefully don't have to deal with litigation very often.
We ended up with a contaminated ingredient that really put the brewery in a really bad situation. The community that we've built here, all of that was threatened. We realized we need to hire an attorney as soon as the insurance company found a way to not engage in the process. Ultimately, going through the process with Lee stabilized things for us. At each stage, as things didn't get to resolution, what the next part of the process was going to be, we lined out what the case was, what the odds were, what happens if you go to court. Anytime you go to court to a trial, you're basically playing poker or roulette or a combination of the two. So you want to try to get a resolution prior to that happening. It's kind of the same as me in the Air Force. I used to work in the nuclear surety chain. You want to have a good case that your nuclear ability is viable so that you don't have to have a nuclear capability, right? You want to make sure that you are set up and organized so that the other side knows that you're set up and organized. It's the same thing going to trial.
The thing that really sets Bugos and Schroeder apart from other law firms is that all three of us have experience in big law. Big law is not always great, but it does teach you a lot of the things that are necessary: attention to detail, complexity. And we have all taken matters all the way through trial.
We have a holistic approach. Not only do we want to know everything that's going on in your business, how can we help, where can we add value, but with my partners Ed and Lee, we discuss cases nonstop. Without having 5 lawyers on the case, we actually have 5 lawyers on the case, but not on the bill. It's important to be aggressive in order to position yourself and your company at that point where you get a result in mediation that you've sought the entire time.
We feel really confident at Bugos Schroeder that if you talk to our clients, they'll say Bugos and Schroeder will take excellent care of you, they'll be competent, and they will really look after you and your business.